Oh, my bone spurs get on my last nerve. So what bone spurs really are, it's like that house guest that you invite to stay overnight, just to do it out of favor, but they just never leave. And the longer they stay there, they get on your nerve. They just take up everything. They take up all the space. Anytime you move around, they're there. Anytime you look in the fridge, they're there. They even, every time you want to get a little milk out the refrigerator, they leave the jug in there, but it's just a little tiny swig. Now see, with chiropractic care, how we address that, right? What once was a bone cell, they got too comfortable and stayed a little bit too long in the wrong place. We help get rid of those through chiropractic adjustments, alleviating the function, alleviating the pain, restoring the function in your body. Come down to Lowe Chiropractic. Let's take care of those pesky guests. Get them out. That way you can live the life you're meant to live. All right, come on down to Lowe Chiropractic. Get you an exam, get you a plan, get you the results you're looking for. See you soon.